Have you ever stopped to ponder in this fast-paced world how you're really doing mentally and emotionally? It's a question we often overlook, yet it holds immense importance in our lives. Mental and emotional well-being, you see, are crucial for our overall health and happiness. They're the unseen gears that keep us running smoothly in this unending race of life. But what if there's a way to maintain, even enhance these gears? Now imagine if a simple ancient practice could significantly improve your mental health. Intrigued? Enter meditation, a practice as old as time, with benefits as relevant as ever. This ancient art, backed by modern science, has been shown to have profound effects on mental health and well-being. Neuroscience, the study of the brain and its functions, has given us some fascinating insights into how meditation affects our gray matter. Regular meditation can actually change the structure of your brain, enhancing areas responsible for concentration and decision-making, while shrinking those linked to stress and anxiety. But that's not all. Meditation can also slow the aging process of the brain. Yes, you heard that right. It's like a fountain of youth for your mind. Studies have shown that regular meditators have more gray matter, that's brain cells to you and me, than non-meditators as they age. And the benefits don't stop at the physical. Psychological studies have shown that meditation can have a significant impact on our mood and anxiety levels. Regular practice can lead to lower stress levels, reduced symptoms of anxiety disorders, and an overall better mood. So we have this ancient practice steeped in tradition and backed by science that can literally change our brains for the better, reduce stress, improve our mood, and maybe even keep us young. Impressive, isn't it? But how can you incorporate this into your daily routine? Meditation need not be an hours-long endeavor. In fact, just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. Think of it as a mental workout, similar to how you might exercise your body. You wouldn't run a marathon on your first day of training, would you? So start small. Try meditating for just 5 minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you get comfortable. Finding the right environment is also crucial. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a park, or even your office during a break. The key is to find a spot where you can relax and focus. Consistency is the final ingredient in making meditation a habit. Just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower, make it a part of your daily routine. It's not about finding the time, it's about making the time. So why not give it a try? Your mental health will thank you.